Hello, UNILAG aspirants. This is Modez speaking here, and I believe that it is no longer news that UNILAG Post-UTME exam holds online, and the exam date is what? July 27th to July 31st. Now, because the exam is online, so many questions have been asked from parents and students. Where can I write this exam? Can I write it at home? Can I write it with my phone? My strict advice for you is no, do not think of writing this exam at home, especially if it is your first time facing UNILAG Post-UTME exam. Now, there's something I need to tell you. The first thing you need to know that this exam holds on a proctored website. What do I mean by a proctored website? It means you are being monitored and recorded at the same time. And it also means that they have to see you clearly. Use a very clear webcam and make sure there is no background noise. You have to write your exam. Yes, spend the entire 30 minutes in a very quiet environment. That is not all. Another thing you need to know that is very important is that you need the SEB browser. You need to install this SEB browser in order for you to be able to write the exam at all. Without it, you can't write the exam. Now, what does the SEB browser, what does it do? It stands for Safe Exam Browser, and the major purpose is to lock you on the proctored website so that you'll not be able to switch tabs, move from there to another tab so that you can completely stay logged in on your exam. Now, this is where the major problem is. What is this problem that I'm talking about? The SEB browser, apart from the fact that it is not compatible with every device, it can also log you out due to the fact that if your computer is slow in processing or if your network is slow in connection, it can think that you are trying to bypass this tab switching, and automatically what happens? It can log you out and can show something called SEB locked. And once it does that, that is the end. Admission gone. Everything that you have spent gone. All what you have done gone. Do you get it? So now, in order to avoid this, you need to make sure that you have every setup complete. Now, that is a very big problem for both aspirants and parents, but you don't have to worry about this at all when you book a space to write at our center, because we will provide you with fast processor computers that are already compatible with SEB, and they have what? Crystal clear webcam installed. That is not all. You don't have to worry about network interruptions or even interruption from power supply because light is constant. Do you get? And also, we have what? Technical support that is already standby for you. Just in case it really happens, you experience any issue during the exam, what happens? They come in instantly to fix it. Now, take note, you might think you don't need this, but when you write this yourself and you are not able to fix the SEB browser when it shuts you out because of any issue, you end up getting the SEB locked that I talked about earlier. And what happens? That is the end. Do you get it? So you need all of this. Now, if you want to get space at our center, we have different payment options which you are going to see on your screen right now. It ranges from essential plan, which is 20,000 naira only, to the premium plan, which is 30,000 naira only, to the platinum plan, which is 60,000 naira only. So in order for you to understand the differences between this plan, make sure you visit our website through the link below this video. Also, take note that what? The booking for essential plan closes July 20th. Yes, on Monday, July 20th, the essential plan, which is 20,000 naira only, we will no longer be available because of our limited spaces, limited technical staffs, and limited computers. So, booking payments for what? For the essential closes July 20th. Please take note. So, for instant booking and enquiries, text this number 070-4591-5291 on WhatsApp for enquiries or to book. Thank you.